Hi, what if your phone could be fully protected from viruses, hackers, tracking, and even slowdowns without paying anything for 30 days? Today, I will show you exactly how to do that on your phone. Just a quick note before we begin. This video is for educational purposes only. Results may vary, and my link may earn me a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting the channel. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to download and install AVG Ultimate on your phone and test it free for 30 days. This includes AVG Internet Security, AVG Secure VPN, and AVG TuneUp, all in one powerful package. I will keep everything simple and show you the exact steps on my screen so you can follow along on your own phone. Let us jump straight into the installation. As I move to my phone, and I will start by using the official link that you can find in the description. Now let me move to my phone so that we can go and get the link. I just click on the link. Just do also the same thing on your own side so that we can get AVG AntiVirus together. Click on the link and then it's going to open on the browser. Let's just be patient as it is loading. Just click on it. That is it, that is opening. It will take us to the official website of AVG. That is it. The page has loaded. You select, is it for home? Most often it will be for home. But if it's an enterprise or a company, you click on business. AVG Internet Security, AVG Ultimate. Click on AVG Ultimate and then this is it, that is loading. Once this page has loaded, your focus should be the three lines up there. You click on the three lines up there so that you can download it. Here they explain what are the products that are in that package. If you are ready, you can buy right away. If not, you just click on those three lines up there, please. Let's just click on it, and then in our case here is for mobile. You click on mobile. You select here, is it AVG what? AVG Antivirus for Android. That is our case here, my own case. And then you just free download. Just click on free download, and it's going to take you to Play Store. Please move from the link that I sent to you. And here now you just need to do what? You just need to click on install. Click on install. And then the installation process begins right away. As you can see there. Begins right away. We're almost at the end. That's it. Almost at the end. That's it now installing. The things are moving well. That is it now installing. Let's just be patient a bit, please, as it is installing. Let's just be patient a bit as it is installing. Just click on open to open the AVG Antivirus and Security. Just click on open. That is it, that is loading. The next page. Click on get started. Click on get started. Then it will explain to you what are the things you benefit from using it and so forth. If you already bought your own, you just click on that they already purchased and then you set the activation key right away. It's explaining now to you what it's going to do as you install AVG on your phone. It's loading the offers. Just be patient a bit, please. Now you just need to enter your payment information to try it for free. You click on continue, select what you need, and then you move on. If you already purchased, just click on, or in my case here, we just click on continue. And then I will use the activation code. I will insert mine. I will meet the other way. Please let me insert mine. And that is it now. That is activating my license because I have a license. You use it for your phone and also for the computer. Success. The subscription has been accepted. And at this level now, you just need to sign in because they will create an account for you. And then you can scan now your phone to check for any malware. Just click on OK so they can scan your phone. And here now you are ready to begin using AVG. Just scan to search for any threat. Mean that here we are ready to begin using AVG, please. You see how easy it is to really install it and scan our phone. And that is it. Your phone is now protected with AVG Ultimate, including antivirus protection, a secure VPN, and performance optimization, all tested free for 30 days. AVG is a trusted global cybersecurity brand used by millions worldwide, and yes, you can safely use it on both Android and iPhone. Just remember, after the trial, you can cancel anytime if it is not for you. To get started, use my official link in the description so that you don't end up on fake or even unsafe download pages. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future security and tech tutorials. Thank you very much for paying attention.